Good morning students. This is our English class. In English class again what we are going to read, that is uncountable noun. What? Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Okay? What are uncountable noun? Those noun or those things which we cannot count like this. Okay? If there is glass, okay, see here, there is glass. Now they are in plural form. There are glasses. These are all what? Glasses. Okay? How many are there? You can count 1, 2, 3. There are 3 glasses. There are 3 glasses. Okay? You can count. Now see the fingers of your hand. Okay? How many fingers in one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers. Okay? This thing, if I draw a tree, these are what? Trees. How many trees are there? 1, 2. 2 trees. Means there are things which we can count. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, like this we can count. Those things which we count, we can say them countable nouns. Okay? But in this world, there are many things which we cannot count. Okay? Cannot count. We cannot count them. If we pour them in some places, they will take the shape of that place and then we can say. Like water. What is the example? Water. Okay? Suppose this is spillover water. Okay? This is a water. Okay? Water doesn't has any shape. Okay? But if you put the water in a glass, if you pour the water in a glass, okay, then we say it a glass of water. But we could not count. Can we count 1 water, 2 water, 3 water? No, we cannot count. If you pour in a glass, then you can say a glass of water. If I put it in a bottle, okay, then you can say a bottle of water. Okay? Or if milk is there, example milk, we cannot count milk also. So, if we put in the bottle, we can say a bottle of milk. Okay? Okay, understand? So, many things are there in this world that we could not count. We could not count them. Okay? But if we put in something, then we can say it. Okay? That kind of things are known as uncountable noun. What we say there? Uncountable noun. Okay? Now look into your book. Page number 52. Here it is given. See the first one. This is the chalk. What is C-H-A-L-K? Chalk. Okay? Next one, string. Okay? Then wood and then paper. 4 are there. Okay? So, by seeing them, what you can say? A piece of chalk, a piece of string, a piece of wood and a piece of paper. What you can say? So, a piece of dash. If it is given a piece of dash, then you will write a piece of chalk or string or wood or paper. Okay. Then next one, soap. What we say it? A bar of soap. Okay. If it is given a bar, bar of dash, then you will write soap. A bar of soap. Okay. These are the fill in the blanks. Understand? Then a glass of water, we can see. A grain of sand. What we say it? A grain of sand. Okay. Then we say it. A blade of grass. A blade of grass. Okay. Then a bottle of milk. Okay. A bottle of milk. Then a bottle of ink. Then a pinch of salt. Then a grain of rice. First, learn how to read them. This is a slice of bread. Okay. Then a cup of tea. Then a bowl of soup. Then a cup of coffee. Read. Every day read it. You can understand what you are saying. Then if I give you in the filler form a piece of dash, you can write properly. Okay? Understand? Now come to the next part. If I give you pictures or name, okay, like this, it is water, and this one, suppose toffee, okay, 2 toffees are there, okay. Now you have to say which one is uncountable now. Which one is uncountable now? You know water is uncountable now, and toffee you can count 1, 2. So which one is uncountable now? Water. Okay. So you have to write UC. Okay. Water is what? UC. Uncountable now. UC. Okay. Understand? Understand? If I give you milk, here milk is there, okay, and this side ball is there, okay. Now tell me which one is uncountable now. You have to write UC. Milk is uncountable now, then tick the milk and write here uncountable now, UC, okay, UC. Understand? Understand? You have to write UC. You have been given 2 options. What will be the heading? Write which one is the uncountable noun. For uncountable noun, you write UC. So you have to identify. You have read water is uncountable noun, milk is uncountable noun, okay, sand is uncountable noun, rice is uncountable noun. So these are the pictures will be given. You have to write which one is uncountable noun, and don't write the full spelling. You will write UC. Okay? Understand? Understand? This is from your Oxford book. Today we are going to practice this. Okay? Next come to our phonic and spelling book. In phonic and spelling book, which page? Page number 72. Which page? Page number 72. What it is written? The AI phoneme spelled AY. Now AI phoneme, same things. Okay. Then it is changes into how to spell AY. A. Okay. Same way. First one, there is option given DAY day, PLAY play, CLAY clay, RAY ray, SAY say. So which one is this? First one is day, DAY day. Okay. Next one is day. That is A. Now A. Same thing. Okay. Now this one is play, PLAY play. Now this one RAY ray. Okay, rays are coming out. This one SAY say, the bird is going to say something, chee 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 like this. SAY say. And last one, this is, she is making toy with clay. So this one CLAY, clay. Okay. Again say, day, play, ray, say and clay. Okay. Huh? A. Okay. A. That is A. And this is A. Okay. Now some words are same pronunciation, but there we write, don't write AI, we write AY. So these are those words. Okay. These are those words. Understand what we have read today? We have done uncountable noun. In uncountable noun there will be picture and options are given, and you have to write which one is uncountable noun. And in phonic and spelling you have done AY words. Okay, AY words. Okay, so go through it and then learn it. Okay, so today's teaching over, students. Thank you.